I think the Ford Maverick has the potential to change how people look at trucks. I work at Ford, and even though trucks are our thing, it just didn't seem like they were made for me.
I'm a fourth-generation Ford employee, so I bleed blue, it's in my blood. Ford has a strong history with trucks. They're what give us our reputation of being tough. The Maverick, we haven't had a small truck this size, but it's got the Built Ford Tough DNA, so you know it's part of the family. And I think this is the right size for a lot more people.
This truck is awesome. It is diminutive but powerful. That's kind of like me. Kind of like my truck twin. In a city, I can get where I need to go without having to wonder if I'm gonna fit in a parking space.
When you're driving the Maverick, you can turn and maneuver and back up in ways that give you so much freedom in terms of where you can go and what you can do.
Your base powertrain is the full hybrid. So it's kind of an and. You have the power and fuel economy.
I like the hybrid because have you ever tried to find a gas station in a downtown or in a city? That was so good.
The Maverick fits 5 adults.
So I can pile in people if I need to.
Tall, short, in between, everyone has a space. They have slots for their drinks, places to charge your phones. Anybody can get into this truck and feel comfortable.
I think there's so many ways people are distracted now with cell phones and other things. This driver assist technology. It's not something you need every day, but it's good to know it's there.
The FLEXBED system allows you to customize the back to fit around your life.
The fact that it comes with so many different options, like slots for the 2x6s. The tailgate sits wherever you need it. The truck itself is the tool.
By rigging up things, by tying things down, by moving slots, it's basically a way to transport my life.
The Maverick makes this great workspace for all my projects. And I can even stay connected with my real job while I'm doing it. When I find something cool to renovate, I gotta grab it before someone else does. And I can load it up and get it back to my workshop in the city.
The Maverick gives you the functionality to work wherever you need to work. You can plug in or unplug.
It has all-wheel drive options, so you can go off-road if you need to. Even though it's a smaller truck, it has the option of a 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine, which gives you plenty of horsepower and torque and allows you to tow all kinds of stuff.
I mean, from its size to its versatility and standard features, this truck feels like it's made for me. And that makes me feel really good.
The Maverick, it's rugged, it's high-tech, it's where the industry's going in the future.
It is the answer in terms of what has a truck always been to people versus what can it be for people.